Hello and welcome back. Susan Zummo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. Well, we opened our first portal last week, and I have to say it was absolutely wonderful. If you haven't joined us, I would encourage you to check out my website. The second portal will be on February 22nd, 2022, and it will be even better than the first one, I'm sure. We are opening portals within ourselves that are going to take us to many different places within and without. So I invite you to check it out at my website and reach out to me if this interests you. All right, so here we are. We are at the very last day of January. We are heading into February. And you may have noticed that January has picked up speed. Things are moving faster than we ever thought they might. And that's okay. I hope that you have made firm decisions and firm plans for yourself as we move further into this year. I hope that you have decided what you want to do, what you want your life to look like, and where you want it to be taking place. We have so much going on right now. So many new projects started. And if you haven't started your new project, I encourage you to do so. Even take the first tiny step to create movement, break inertia from last year. When I look at last year, I see that as our planning and plotting year. Lots of planning, lots of plotting, lots of inner preparation. Now this is the year of taking action and moving forward. So start those new projects, even if it is a new learning within self, right? It doesn't have to be a big, huge project, but I think for many of us, it is going to be just that. I feel that this year is going to be a year of grand movement, not only for us individually, but also for the world. And I'm very encouraged by that. What your movement looks like will be determined by what you have accomplished on inner levels in the last year. And I know that many of us are headed towards absolutely wonderful things. And that's exciting to me. Many of the things that we have started now or during the month of January will begin to come to fruition by the second half of this year. You're going to see things come out into the outer world by July at the very latest. August for some of us, but July at the very latest for most of us. The second half of this year is going to be extremely busy, but I want you to know that you are ready, you are prepared, and you can anticipate with joy how wonderful this is going to be. Okay, anticipate with joy. You can do it. What are you learning this year? What did you learn last year? When I look at myself today versus where I was a year ago, it is completely different. I am still me, but I'm a different me. And I hope that is the same for you. I think for many of us, it really is. I want you to look at where you were a year ago today and think about what your dreams were for 2025. Whether they came true or not, whether you accomplished them or not, you need to recognize and acknowledge, and I want you to, that you are a different person than you were a year ago. Outcomes will be different because the person creating them is different. What did you plan last year for yourself? And what does your future look like now? If you haven't already, I'm going to encourage you to sit down right now and visualize, daydream, plan out, plot and plan, right? Because we don't have a lot of time left to do that. Plot and plan. It's going to come together this year, and you're going to be really happy when it does. I feel that there is an opening for us coming. And every time I look down the road, I see it illuminated in light. I see beautiful colors, lots of foliage, lots of flowers. And to me, those are high frequency representations of nature and energy. And so I know that we are going to continue to improve, to grow, to expand. This would be a wonderful time to begin a new learning, to begin a new project, maybe to move, maybe to start a new relationship, maybe to deepen your relationship, take it in a new direction. This will be a wonderful time for you to bring things into your life that are going to expand your heart, bring you love, things that you can share your love and kindness with, right? People, situations. This is a time for us to really expand ourselves, to really move from within into the world around us. This is not a time to sit quietly at home and contemplate our navels. Yes, we're going to do that anyway, but it's not the whole purpose of the year. And so as you're looking to move forward, go back, pull out that paper and that list you made for your resolutions, look at it again, re-energize it, reinvigorate it, don't abandon it, okay? If you're one of those people who signed up for an exercise program or signed up at the gym, well, now is the time to recommit to that and go. Don't let go of your dreams. Don't let go of your plans, and don't give up on yourself because January is over. There is a tremendous amount of change energy being poured down upon us. And I have to tell you that while I'm telling you this, there is a huge amount of energy coming into my body that is just absolutely making me roast. So there's my confirmation that we have energy coming in to activate those centers within us that will allow us to accomplish and start accomplishing our dreams this year. So don't let go of them. Don't give up on them. Now, you may have to tweak them. You may have to change them a little bit. You may have to rethink some areas of them, but on the whole, they are coming into being, and the energies are coming in to support you, bringing them into being. I asked this morning about what the greater picture would look like, right? What is the globe going to look like as we move into February? And what I was told was, take care of yourself and the world will take care of itself. And that was the advice I was given. So again, we can be aware of what's going on in the world, but we don't need to fix it personally. We need to focus on ourselves, right? Take care of yourself and the world will take care of itself. And I thought that was good advice. It doesn't mean we're being selfish or we're being Pollyannas. It means that we are not feeding energy into a frequency or a pattern that we do not wish to see form in the outer world. Remember, where we put our attention is what we create. And I don't want to create what's in that outer world. So I'm going to create peace, compassion, greater love, higher frequency, stronger light body within myself, and allow that to radiate out into the world. And by doing that, the world will take care of itself. And so I thought that was very good advice. So as we move into February, the month of love, I'm going to stress again, as I do every year at this time, love yourself, love those around you, love everything in your environment, everything. Love it, because it is either loving you back or it is calling to your attention what you need to look at, release, heal, and put down once and for all. And we can love it for that. So love everything. If you will spend one day expressing love to everything in your environment and every person that you meet, it's going to change your life, even in that one day. Okay. Now, don't run out and tell strangers I love you and say, Susan told me to do that, because that's not what I'm saying. But in your heart, send them a little love. Send them the thought of blessings. Bless everyone you encounter for one day. Love your chairs. love your dishes, love the couch, love the food, love every person in your life, whether they are annoying you or not. Just send them love, because what that does is expand your heart. And so instead of running around chasing a dream or an unrealistic model of what romantic love is going to look like on the 14th, be love. And if you will be love and love everything in your life, including yourself and every little wart that you find within yourself, you will attract all the love in the universe that you are seeking to have. And so that's how we're going to start the month of February. Absolutely love everything. If you look at your feet and you say, those are the ugliest things I've ever seen, I just want you to love them anyway, because they're keeping you upright. And so we can change anything into an opportunity to love. And I know it sounds silly, but for some of us, we need that practice. Bring something into your life that you can love. It could be a plant. It could be an animal. It could be someone or something that's already in your life. Love what you are doing. Love it. And if you don't like it, find something about it that you can love, even if it's just for a moment. And it's going to shift everything for you. So as we head into the month of love, remember that you are beginning new projects, that you are a new you, that we are going to move faster and faster and faster into the new year. And so I want you to be prepared. When change comes, don't throw your arms up in the air and go, no, not today. I didn't mean today. Embrace it, work with it, flow with it. Celebrate the fact that you created it and now it is here for you to play with. And I think you'll have an absolutely wonderful February and an even better year. So until next week, I wish you lots of love and many blessings.